Hey guys, happy Thursday. Hope everybody is doing well. I'm doing okay. I'm gonna roll my windows down just a little bit because it's a little warm in here. But yeah, I'm doing okay, guys. Today is a good day so far. I am currently sitting in my truck, getting some air before I start doing some other things. I just got through doing today I just did 2 miles. I'm super hot and super sweaty. That is because I did the 2 miles. However, I got chased by a bee. Like, I literally got chased by a bee. I'm meaning every way I fanned, behind me, my hair, but my neck, my arms, everywhere that he was chasing me. Like, he was literally trying to sting me. And I don't know if you guys remember in one of my videos a couple of years ago, I got stung by a bee and my whole leg was swollen. My whole thigh above my knee was swollen really, really bad. I'm not allergic to bees, but I don't know why that happened. So I'm just not trying to experience that ever again in my life. If God forbid that would happen to me, I don't want to experience it. So I hope the Father would let that not happen to me. But I was screaming like a crazy person and people were looking, and I was thinking about, do y'all remember that movie with Martin Lawrence in it? And he was getting stung by a bee and they thought the police was hitting him or something. That is how I felt. I felt like somebody's gonna think I'm nuts or something. But yeah. So yeah, productive day so far. My car did get fixed yesterday. So the reason why I end up taking it again, guys, is that my check engine light was on, so I needed some kind of like a sensor switch. So I got that done. I have I think maybe 1 or 2 other things to do, and that will be it. What I'm really trying to do, and this is for all ladies, I'm just trying to get my truck to where I don't want anything to be wrongful with it, because I don't want to be stranded anywhere, and I don't want to have to depend on others. So I put it like that. And then 2, so I can be able to help others as well. I'm trying to think what else. I'm going to try to go to Habitat for Humanity today and see if I can find a door. I'm trying to think. I think that's it. Yeah. Yesterday evening was a little bit, I don't know, y'all. My friend being gone, it just really touched me. I think in another video, I'll probably just go into detail, about our friendship or whatever. Because it was a guy, so I'll go into that in another video. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end this part of the video. If you want to finish watching this video, continue to watch. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, all the comments that y'all been leaving me on these videos, if I don't go back into my click on the videos and look through it or something, or try to look and see if I need to edit it, I have not been getting you guys comments. It usually will let me know through my through YouTube that I got comments. So please make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell, and I think you hit the bell until it's gray or something. I don't know, something like that. Just maybe hit your bell again, because something's not going. I usually don't ask people to subscribe or anything like that, but I'm just saying, I haven't been getting some of you guys messages or comments. I don't know. So yeah. So guys, I will see y'all in a little while. Y'all, I'm currently in Habitat for Humanity. Let me show y'all something. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this tub. It's sold though. They only wanted $80 for that. That is it. Isn't that beautiful? Let me show y'all the side of it. Ain't that pretty? Y'all, she would have got that. But I'm here. Let me see if I can find me. It feels so good in here too. Let me see if I can find a door. So anyway, I was going to use these. I was going to use these and put like the sliding thing at the top, and or have somebody do it. But I don't see the other one. They had 2 of these. but I can't find the other one. Let's go on the other side and look and see. I'm trying to see if it's a door here that was here before. Oh, there y'all, this one is sold. Look at this one. I don't know what size this is. Dang, this might be this. Look, this might be the size that I need. But let's keep looking because. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. I think I see it. I think I see it. So this here, this one here. Uh-oh. This is the one that I need that was here last time. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, but before I leave, I'm gonna do an outfit of the day. This is outfit of the day, y'all. OOTD. But I think we're in business. But I don't know. Somebody just bought this other door yesterday. So sometime if they don't come back, they will give you the door. So we're gonna see. I'll see you guys in a little while. But this has a handle on it. The other one is just a billfold. This one is an open and close. So we'll see what she gets, or if she gets anything. Yeah, how come this is the right size? But it's sold. This is 28 inches, what I needed. This gentleman is helping me. Y'all, something told me to come yesterday. That I could have had that door. That's the right size. And it got, look, it has all the hinges on it. I wouldn't have had to do nothing but hang it on there. So easy, but that's my fault. I'll see you guys. What's that one? That's the steel though. I know, but you can't cut that. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm in my savings grace space, my saving grace room. If you're watching, I know a lot of y'all probably follow Sharon. She's so fabulous. I watch from time to time, but I was looking at this video. Sharon, Miss Sharon, I know you don't know me. Let that man have them plants. Plants is always better than decor. I was looking, I looked at that fill leaf fig. I'm like, oh my God, I really understand. I understand how you feel. But guess what, y'all? Most people who love plants, most of them are really good people. They're outdoorsy people. They're good people up here, and they're good people right here. But yeah, that's what I was looking at. So I don't know if you guys follow Sharon. She's so fabulous. Shout out her channel. I'll go over there and come over here. But anyway, guys, I'm finally home. Today is the day I'm going to tackle the, I'm going to get this pulled off of the wall. Actually, I'm going to take that off right now as we speak. And I'm going to put her over here because we're going to be, I'm going to wipe this off real good. I'm going to be fixing these photos today. I have to disconnect this. But anyway, let me just show y'all real quick what I got from Habitat for Humanity. So do you guys see this? Maybe I can turn the light on. Let me see if I can turn the light on. So anyway, I found these sticks here. And I'm going to probably show y'all another video. I'm going to see if this guy can do something with these two. These are two different things. But this here I can do myself. This is actually, what do they call that? I don't know, but this was $2. So what I'm going to do with this piece here, after I wipe it down real good, I'm going to add a strip across here to connect to this thing right here that hits the space, and it'll go here. I'm probably going to, in the future, I'm going to have to get another piece to it like that, and I can cut it. But that's what I'm going to do with that. So guys, if you're interested in that, watch me put these picture frame together. That's what I will do, and I'll probably catch you guys on next video. Guys, God is he is amazing. I prayed earlier that, Lord, I just want to come home and enjoy my home and enjoy my space for a little while. And this time of day, it's like 4:45. I actually got here like at maybe like 4 o'clock. That doesn't happen all the time. It's just like, and he sent somebody my way to just give me some powerful words, some good energy, and it's amazing, y'all. But I am holding on to God's word. I was reading in Proverbs this morning. So this is tea time for y'all, even though it's late. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. But he talked about love and faithfulness. And I'm never going to forget what people say to me about my love and my faithfulness, that it's not unseen. It's not undone either. So it's not going to change. It's not going to change who I am as a person. And that's another thing my friend used to tell me. But like I said, we'll get into that video another time. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and work on this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.